Good. 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 Good tayo.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Lalim to. Boy, track lead lang tayo. Huwag kang matulin. Nalulula ako sa'yo. Zero pacing yan. Ay, paano pa tayo? Finisher lang ang habol natin, boy. Kang magmagaling. Doon sa kabila. Ito may kasada. May mali yung katawan mo, boy. Yun, kasama yung braso mo. Yun, sorry po, sorry. Yun, sorry po, sorry. Sorry po. Ligo ko ng tubig sa mukha. Hindi ko sila nabasa. River crossing. Ate, mababaw lang po ba yun? Ha? Okay, saan nyo pala? Salamat! Ang lalim pala. Madulas. Ilang umaga po. Madali dito, boy. Okay na tayo dito sa ano. Ayun. Ayun. Dan mo kasi. Ayun. Takot talaga sa downhill si boy. Madulas na boy. Kaya si boy biga. Wala naman siguro tatakbo ng matulin dito. Iyot. Iyot. Dulas. Oh, napunta ako dito sa ano. Madulas boy. Iyot. Woo! Iyot. Patay na punta. Woo! Patay na punta sa gilid. Wow. Madali. Oh, ito yung 7. Tumalim na 7. Tumalim na 7. Sa pigan. Gagapang yan boy. Gapang lang. Gapang lang boy. Dulas ng 7. Yun yung 7 ng lokal. Yung 7 ng mga riders doon pa. Yung tutulin boy. tumulin. Yun. At mabagal. Sa safe tayo, boy. Sige, tirahin natin to. Bahala na. Tahin mo. Ang lakas mo, boy. Ang lakas mo, Tenere. Engine off tayo. Ayaw mo mapagsapadaran dito. Mahirap bigilin to. Dahil sa rats. Hindi ko na kayang tayuan to. Pagod na ako. Oh, tumalim na yung rats. Yeah! Tumalim na yung rats. Yeah! Tutang yan. Ayan. Pahirapan to. Pahirapan to. Wala, masip na dito. Makatungkot tayo. Takot na takot talaga sa downhill, si Wako. Mayan, tuyuan mo. At kasi dinayuan mo na kanina pa dun eh. Yut. Ang pangit no. Sana talagang marami susuko dito. Muna kasi pigilin. Pinipigil mo pa eh. Pagkat talaga downhill, patay. Patay si Wako. Oh, sumahad yung tambucho. Tirahan tayo ng 7 solo. Go, sige, kaya mo yung Wako. Hanapin na tayo sa 7. Tayo 7. Kung kaya natin. Solo pala si Wako, solo. Wako team ka talaga. Ayop ka. Solo ka talaga, Wako. Nung dumating yung dalawang manager natin, saka tayo aalis. Idol, nandito na yung dalawang manager natin. Mas malakas yung isa. Nakarating dito. Okay na. Dalawa. Ala. Basic di ba? Basic. Ah. Ayun pala eh. Tumaas na naman yung lining ko. Kaya nahinto ako dito. Nagtumba pa ako. Doon. Puta na, mag-isa ako nagtatayo. Kaya pumitaw na. Doon may ano ang likuan, may guide. Ayos. Tatamayo naman. Malambot na braso mo, boy. Ito na. Time finish na. Ito na yung U-turn slot. Ayaw na umatak. Okay, balik na. Nandiyan natin si Master yan. Nakapulo tayo ng ayaw na umatak na naman. Tigas ni lalim. Putang ina mo. Saan ba napunta? Putang ina mo, naka-recover ka pa. Ayop ka. Woo! Huwag ka nang kumarera, boy. Finisher lang tayo. Okay na. Finisher lang. Pa-aksidente lang tayo. Ayaw nang matak. Ang dadaan dito, sigurado. Kayang-kaya ni Ian ibaba, oh. Yun lang ang problema, yun lang. Yun lang ang mahirap doon. Yut! Hirap mo gamitin, boy. Gusto mo mag-slide nung lining nito. Yun. Pakikiran lang po. Hindi dyan eh. Dyan ba yun? Dyan. Dyan kami dumaan eh. Ha? Dyan kami dumaan. Ay. Ayun o. Team SRC, kompleto, apat to, dalawang manager, dalawang player, oh. May mahirap ba daw, Kuya Lad? Minsan kumakagat yung lining, ah. Minsan wala, minsan meron. Good. 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 Tayo na. Tayo na. Dire-diretso na naman ako dun. Puta na. Technical to. Humahon ka, boy. Humahon ka. Puta, nag-smoke. Woo! Ayop ka. Buti na lang. Buti na lang umahon! Woo! Ito pa isa. Woo! Buti na lang kumagat! Sliding! Woo! Ayop ka, pahirapan mo ko dito. Lubog na si Master yan. Malalim! gitna. Malapad ba yung gitna? Malapad. Panis, oh. Buti, nakisama pa. Whoop! Diretso! Si Master Ian, sundan natin na makakuha tayo ng moves. Yan natin kung aabot tayo. Slide na yung lining natin. Buti nakikisama pa. Ako, may tulay. May tulay. Isa. Yuk! Dumulas. Yuk! Dumulas. Iyot! Wala na. Panis kay Kuya Kevin, oh. Ay, teka. Ayaw matak. Ha? Oo. Penga muna natin.
Biyahe natin, dito na ako nainog.
Oh, yun talaga nakakainog. Tara. Ang anak niya. Pahinugan pa rin pagbaba. Sunog na yung clutch natin. Natuluyan na. Wala na. Ayun ang matak. Wala na. Wala na. Ha? Ayun ang matak.